So how do you hit $250,000 a year as a real estate agent? So in this video, I'm going to share with you a few huge tips to help you get over the hump to make the type of money that you're looking to make in real estate. Hey there, it's Ian Flanagan with the Agent First Group at eXp Realty. And if you're an agent, team leader, or broker looking to level up your business through collaboration, training, support, and incredible lead gen tools, check out the partnership link in the description and let's connect. Now, the first thing that I want to ask you is how many conversations every day are you having? Successful agents know that outbound reach on a daily basis is the lifeblood of your business. And are you tracking those numbers every single day to establish your KPIs, which are key performance indicators? Because what gets measured actually creates predictability, and you can also improve on your numbers. So if your target income is $250,000 or more, you have to significantly increase your daily conversations. And a minimum of 25 contacts every single day will get you to your income goals. Now, the next strategy that I want to share with you to increase your income goals as a real estate agent is to increase the price point of the real estate that you're selling. And by targeting a higher price point, you can do less transactions and actually make a lot more money. And a shift that you can make this week to increase your income is go schedule some preview appointments and some higher end homes in your market. And if everything that you're posting on your social feeds is 1 million and up, your social media branding will be at that price point. Therefore, you will attract people that are looking to sell in that price point or looking to buy in that price point or even higher. Perfect example is an agent on my team, Ali Nori, started posting multi-million-dollar homes on his TikTok. One of those videos went viral with 4.5 million views. He's got more business than he can handle right now. And that can happen for you too. You just got to put the time in, level up the properties that you're posting on your social media channels, and get out there and get to work. You just have to be consistent with setting those appointments with yourself to actually shoot content and post that on a weekly basis. Because at the end of the day, you're in the business of lead generation. And if you're an agent, team leader, or broker looking for more ways to generate leads in your business every single month, then text the word leads to the number below and my team will send you a worksheet with over 100 ways to generate leads. Now it's time to take action on the information that you just learned, and I wish you the best.